We believe innovation brings special strengths to creations, empowering change for a better world, and gives a driving energy for our industry, which is ever moving forward. AI technology focuses on inventing and developing innovative strategies which help to create the future of automation and mechanical technologies. AI Technology, a company specializing in the design and building of automatic machinery, is a strong participant in both the Thai and international business groups. With 2 decades of expertise and experience, we are further strengthened with our relationship to the AI Group as a whole in support with AI Industry Company Limited, which itself specializes in the manufacturing and installation of industrial equipment. We are a fully integrated partner in machinery manufacturing. Included in the AI Group are AI Industry Company Limited, specializes in manufacturing and installing industrial machines. Tokai Gauge Technology Company Limited, specializing in the manufacture of precision measuring instruments, head office located in Japan. AI Foundry and Manufacturing Company Limited, with expertise in cast iron castings. FK Faco Thailand Company Limited, specializes in the manufacture of plastic parts, is an importer and distributor of injection mold machines. With a full range of services and capabilities in the automated machinery industry, we serve the automotive, electronics, plastics, even the food industries. AI technology has grown to become a leading company trusted by global industry. The strengths of our engineering, manufacturing, and service specialist teams, combined with modern design techniques and production processing, plus our belief that every thought is possible, with intention and dedication, all come together in one place. AI technology. We innovate and make every idea, every thought, and every customer's wish closer to becoming a true reality. Our products are classified into the following categories. 1. Assembly line. 2. Robot system. 3. Pressing machine. 4. Washing and drying machine. 5. Torque machine. 6. Filling and apply machine. 7. Jig and fixture. 8. Leak test machine. 9. ASRS, Automated Storage and Retrieval System. 10. Traceability and data storage. We are certified by Quality Standards Institutes, recognized internationally, and won awards from leading organizations. We recognize our organizational responsibilities to grow sustainably. We understand the need for transparency and fair governance through our management teams. We care for those around us and with us, working towards mutual happiness and a sense of togetherness. We have always taken pride in this. Another of AI technology's greatest prides is the trust and satisfaction of our customers. We are ready to stand beside and help solve any of their problems. We stand ready to help our individual clients' success. We do not stop innovating in excellence with every field. We pay close attention to every detail. We enjoy a strong monitoring system which ensures our customers' confidence. We give sincere after-sales service and take care for the lifetime of our products. All of this is demonstration of our commitment to the automatic machinery industry. Innovation is standard quality for AI Technology Company Limited people around the world. AI Technology, driving innovation.